This is by far the best digital side hustle you can start in 2025. And yes, it's even perfect for older brains like mine. I'm using this exact method. There's no product creation. You don't have to chase your family and friends either. So if you're looking for a simple way to make a real income online, this could be for you. Stick around. I'm going to show you the exact strategy that actually works. I have tried a few things that didn't work. If you haven't met me before, my name is Jody. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, and I am busy too. I'm a former 9 to 5er, and sometimes I do some contract work too. I help working women ditch the burnout and learn how to earn daily pay with a done for you system. You can build an online income stream even if you're a total beginner. Before we jump in, you can go and grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint. That's going to show you if this is right for you and how to get out of that overwhelm and get into the online business. You can grab it below. So a lot of people ask if they really need to sell something, and the answer is yes. If you want to make some money, you have to sell a product or service to have something, of value to give to somebody, and so you can earn money. So the bottom line, if you have an income goal, you do need to sell something. And here's where many people hit a roadblock. They don't know what to sell. They don't know if they should do affiliate marketing. They don't know if they should promote a course, sell t-shirts. They're just trying to figure it out. And that's where I'm here to help. So I have tried a few things, you guys, and I'm not going to probably talk about all of them in this video. But one of the things that I tried was the Amazon influencer, and that was super fun and easy to do. But you know what? It's going to be hard to replace an income with that or make a lot of money. Some people do, but you're only getting 1% to 20% of a commission. So you're going to have to sell hundreds, if not thousands, of some product or multiple products. It's usually multiple products in order to make a decent income with that. I also did TikTok shop, which I absolutely loved, and I did make some okay money with that. But that felt a little grueling at times. One time I was doing a live from 10 o'clock at night to 2 a.m. in the morning. And after that, I thought, ooh, there's got to be something better out there. And there was. And I didn't actually look for it. TikTok just actually showed it to me. Also, I want to say that storage did get a little out of hand with the TikTok shop. I still have a little area down in my basement, and it's on overflow because I have some big items like a treadmill and a couple other big things down there. But I do have a designated spot. So you do have to have a place to keep all your product for the TikTok shop too. All right, and I also did affiliate marketing, and that is a great option too, but yet you're still only getting a portion of a commission. With affiliate marketing, typically if it's for a digital product, anywhere from 25 to 60%. So you're still not getting full 100% profit, but it is a good thing to have in addition to what we're going to be talking about here, to add on to supplement what you're doing, okay? So it is still a good option. It's just still a little bit hard to make a decent income. A lot of people do. Again, it kind of depends on you and what you're choosing. So again, affiliate marketing would be a great bonus to your main thing. Now, you could sell your own product. You could create your own product and sell your own product. But then there's so many things you have to figure out. You have to figure out, first of all, what is that product going to be? You have to do your research and know, who's your audience and who's going to buy that product. And you're going to have to do some testing. And then you're going to create this product and have to find your audience. And if you have this product and you don't know who to sell it to, it's going to be like building a beautiful store in a forest. If people can't find your product, then they're not going to be buying it, no matter how great it is. So what I recommend instead is doing your research and looking at what people are already searching for. And then you'll know what that audience is already looking for. And that's how you're going to create something that people actually want to buy and pay money for. Now, I did find a program that's perfect for me, and I want to share it because I didn't have to build it. I found it. It's in high demand, and it's something that people really want to buy, and it's selling well. So I want you to know about it, and it's Master Resell Rights, so you get 100% profit from it. So after your first sale, you're considered to be in profit mode because let's say you have a $900 product. The customer comes, this is the customer, they come and they pay you $900. that full $900 is yours. So you're in profit mode after that. I found a program that's teaching me high demand income skills. Okay. And with that, it's a master resell rights. So you get 100% profit, which is very important if you're trying to replace your salary like me, or even if you're just trying to utilize your time well. So if you want a system that already works, this one has already been tested and it's already been proven to work. And if you want the free Freedom Formula Blueprint, that is down below in a link, and you can get more information from that. And then also you can take the free class to find out more information. The blueprint and the class will actually walk you through step by step on what is in demand right now. So you don't have to waste time trying to figure out what people want, because this course is already tested and proven. And people are searching for everyday topics like this: how to make money online, how to work from home, how to create a passive income, and how to retire early. I basically have searched for all those things, you guys. And Forbes is saying that digital marketing is going to grow to be a $3 billion a day business. And right now it's at $1.2 billion a day. And it's climbing fast. And if you want to see for yourself, you could go out to Google Trends and search how to make money online, and you'll see that that's trending. So I promote a digital education program because people are already looking for that. I just put it in front of them. So if you're not a salesperson and you don't want to be, I'm going to tell you right now, we're doing attraction marketing, and we are not chasing friends and family, okay? And we're not doing cold calling either. And here's a tip. You don't want to be salesy to sell anything online. People don't want to be sold to or pressured. They just want the information, and then they can decide for themselves. It's the era of information. And what they'll get is they'll get the information on their terms. We have an automated system where they can look at the information when they want to. It'll guide people through the process and answer questions that they might have and let them have the space to make the decision on their own. So none of that salesy stuff. You just have a clean automated system running 24/7 in the background. We call it the freedom machine because it does our heavy lifting. And you get to live your life while it's working for you. Yes, there's work to do, but you can be going to the beach or the lake and having some fun kayaking with your kids or grandchildren, and the system is working for you. It's working 24/7. If you want to see how the system works, I have a free class where you can go in. There's a link down below, and you can tap on that link, and then you can use the free class to learn more. Typically, people don't buy the first time they see something, and that's why we have email automation. They need a few times. They need it to sink in. You know how it is when you're planting the seed with a loved one, and pretty soon it becomes their idea. It's kind of like that. People need to be exposed to it and see it several times before they're ready to make that decision to buy. But you're not the one going out and making the phone calls. It's just the automated system doing it for you. So the system we use is System.io, and that is free until you have 2,000 subscribers. And it does take a while. A lot of people don't end up paying anything for that program for System.io until they are at potentially 6 figures. Now, if you want to add additional funnels to the system, then you might have to bump up. There's not very much money to bump up. But like I do pay for System.io because I have other funnels in there. Someone that's new and only has our program in it, you wouldn't have to pay anything extra. The free system takes care of it for you. So when I say that, it's not a free trial, you guys. It's a system that's free to use until you have 2,000 subscribers, okay? I also have a link down below so that you can tap on that if you want to take a look at what that is. And what that does in the background is it's working for you, so it helps make it passive so that you can wake up in the morning to a payment because it was working for you while you were sleeping. So you can also scale your business faster, okay? Now, you don't need to be techie or anything like that. You know, systems have evolved, so really you're just pressing a few buttons, and the program teaches you step by step what you need to do. It's pretty much 90% set up for you. You just need to go through and connect a few things, and it just shows you how to do that. And if you get stuck, there's a community here to help you. Now, if you really want to create your own product, you totally can create your own digital product. But I'm recommending that you use one that's already created for you and already proven to work. So what I have is a business that's pretty much a business built in a box for you, so you don't have to worry about all the techie stuff. And what you're doing is you're buying the program and then you're learning how to do digital marketing. And if you look up colleges and what they're charging for it, it can be around $2,500 for them to charge for a college course. Now, this is not a college course that I am selling, but it gives you all the information and it includes a community and you get to earn money from it too. So it's better. With a college course, there's no support, there's no system that you get, there's no earning. You're just off there on your own trying to figure out what you're going to sell and what you're going to do and what you're going to use. And yeah, that's not what I wanted to do. And the program that I have, you get 100% profit and there's a community that will help you. And your return on investment comes with just one sale. So everything after that first sale is you're in profit mode. And yes, you can do this too if you want to do YouTube videos. I have a script in front of me. It'll teach you how to do YouTube videos. I will read from it a little bit and probably try not to most of the time, but it'll teach you how to do things like that too. It teaches you many things. The simplest and easiest way to start as a beginner is to find a Master Resell Rights program because it's already got everything in there that you need. And with this program, you already have the learning and the product to sell in the community, in the automated system. So you have everything you need. So you're not going to be overwhelmed trying to figure it all out. So if you're someone that does not want to start everything from scratch, this is the program that I always recommend. And you can learn about it by watching the free class that's linked below. So now you know why I think this is the best side hustle for people in their 40s, 50s, or even 60s and 70s. It's easy to set up and get going. Thanks for watching.